Hey guys, we're on part 3 of the electric bike yard race. Woo-hoo-hoo. Looks like James is in the lead at the moment. Oh, my tray is catching up. Oh, my tray is taking a shortcut. Oh, cheat him, a eater. Oh. So yeah. Oh. 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 Wait. My tray's still in the lead by a whole corner. Oh. Wow. Look at that. We just finished fixing up his bike and stuff. The sprocket and everything came off the motor. So we've been hard out fixing that up. And then we've been hard out trying to fix this one up to get going again. The throttle came off it. James crashed into over here. Not here, thank goodness, but here. Yeah. And so we're just we're just doing the races now. And oh really? I'm gonna try and get on this carcass. The alternator carcass, famous on the YouTube channel at the moment. Let's go. We got some really good bikes on the channel at the moment. Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like it might have been just like something like...
You heard something? But is it still going?
I might have got... Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's still going. As long as it's still going.
I might have like stepped on something with my tire.
Oh, okay. Well, as long as the wheels aren't flatter, yeah, I think... Okay, we're good. Okay, let's rock and roll. Oh, he's taking the lead. Sneaky. Alright. Let's get this dinosaur humping. Good thing about this bike is it never gives out. You can lean it straight into a corner, it'll never give out on you. It'll never slip out. But these other little ones, in the wet, they're dodgy. So James is sort of just feathering his control at the moment because it's kind of a two-piece at the moment. It's in bad shape. I gotta get an upgrade for his one. Like my Trey's one on his bike. And so here's my Trey. We're gonna quickly head around, follow my Trey for a little bit, see if we can just be careful. Be careful! Watch where you're going, just keep going, boy. Just be careful. Yeah. Exactly. Just remember safety first. Don't worry about who's behind you, you just watch what you're doing. You keep going. Cool. Awesome stuff, guys. Yeah. You get a little bit tricky around these trees, you see. So we don't want any accidents, because man, you hit one of these, it's like hitting a post. It's like, oh, it's nasty. It's very sore. We might be able to pass James on this round, maybe. Let's see what this thing's got. Oh no, he powered away from me. Wow, he's powering away. I can't believe it. I thought this thing had. Oh, I'm catching him. We're right behind him all the way, but it's. I think we're going to have to take a sneaky. Well, sneaky. There we go. Oh, yeah, cruzermans inventions is in second. Oh, my Trey MCN gaming is in first. Yeah, I'm gonna pass you soon. Right on the straight. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Oh yeah. Around here. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm in first now, and we're gaining, coming around on the second lap. Second lapping James. Oh look. Oh, he's trying to cut in. He cut in. No way. Oh, this can't be happening, guys. cruzermans inventions in the last. What? Oh. I'm gonna follow you. Oh. Yeah. the electric cockroach would win. Oh, okay, I'm pulling out. I had to pull out for a minute. Oh, wow. Wow, I'm getting dizzy. Whew. Yeah, guys, so it looks like my trio's in the lead at the moment, guys. Wow. Woohoo! Yeah, good stuff. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that bike's a little Hummer. The mini Vespa. The mini Vespa. So, well. Yeah.
Yeah, he came third. He didn't even cross the finish line. He doesn't get a place.
Yeah, I pulled out, unfortunately, on the car because they could have done way better.
Yeah, but
And same with the electric cockroach.
he tried to overlap him, but I
The
took
yard
a
train's
shortcut.
not going.
He was first, but I took a shortcut and overlapped him.
Yeah. It's good with that little shortcut piece in there, eh? You can get that advantage if you wanted. Yeah.
Just say it's once, please.
Wow. Cool, guys. I'll see you in the next one coming up. Cool. Cruzerman out.
Cruzerman out. Subscribe, otherwise I'll slip off this bike again. Yeah, do.
Cool, guys.